This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the controller and ensuring Windows recognizes it. Plug the USB-C cable into the controller and PC, or pair via the official adapter. Once done, open Devices and Printers to confirm the controller shows as Xbox controller. Make sure Windows Update and the Xbox Accessories app are up to date so firmware is current. Close overlays that can steal input and enable game mode to reduce interruptions. These first steps prevent misreads and latency. As you move into next, open War Thunder and go straight to controls. Pick the vehicle type you'll play and switch to a gamepad template so bindings match typical Xbox layout. You need to manually assign axes for pitch, roll, yaw, and throttle. Don't assume auto mapping is correct. Map triggers to throttle and brake, bumpers to weapon selection, and face buttons to view and interaction commands. Once mappings are set, save a uniquely named profile so you can tweak sensitivity without losing a working baseline. Finally, fine-tune sensitivity and dead zones inside War Thunder and in Windows game controllers. Start with conservative dead zones to prevent drift, then lower gradually to gain precision. Adjust response curves for smoother inputs. Test changes in a test drive or training mission and iterate until aiming and throttle feel natural. If controls behave oddly, try wired mode and repairing, reinstall the Xbox controller drivers, or reset your War Thunder control profile. One key troubleshooting tip: switching to wired USB often isolates wireless interference problems immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.